All right, so here's a look at this rubber top for your washer and dryer. So this is gonna be for a front load washer and dryer. We're still waiting for ours to come in, but I just wanted to show you real quick kind of what it looks like, the quality, and I've got our detergent and our fabric softener here, and I kind of just want to show you for reference on the size here. So you can kind of see up here in the front, it's got plenty of space to put these straight in front of each other, and honestly, we could probably put a third one right there. So if you're somebody that kind of stacks up your detergent and your fabric, it's great because you could put it all right on top. Now, this is going to be a single piece, and the great thing about this is you're not going to have anything that's going to be falling between the cracks between the washer and the dryer. I've seen some of the other ones on Amazon, and they are more like two single pieces that go on there, but I feel like you might as well just go for the longer one because it's also going to give you space in the middle as well. So let's say you've got your detergent and you want to kind of put it here in the middle. You're able to do that because this is covering both the washer and the dryer, and there's no space in between. Plus, at the side of it, there is also a bit of a lip right there, and if you did get the two pieces, that lip would kind of cut into your space as well. So speaking of the lip, it's also great because if there are any liquids or water or anything like that that's going to be on top of here, it's all going to be withheld inside of the mat, and it's not going to fall off down onto the ground. Now, the pattern of this, you can see it does have a little bit of texture to it, which is nice. It's going to give it a little bit more grip, and honestly, it just is going to look more premium and not as cheap. So if you were to get one that is just more flat, like you could see here down at the bottom, this is really flat and it just looks more cheap, but this does have a little bit of texture to it, which I do like. Now, another great thing with this is you're able to clean it nice and easy. So if I've got my cleaner right here, it's easy to just spray on top, and because it's still mostly flat, it's really easy for you to just wipe this down and keep it clean. Or if you wanted to, you could take everything off, bring it to the backyard and spray it down nice and easy. So if you're looking for a rubber mat, something that is high quality and is going to handle liquids being spilt on it, plus you're also not going to damage the top of your washer and dryer with things scraping around on the top, then I would highly recommend picking this up.